I need the wiring schematic for the starting/charging system on a John Deere Turf Gator. It keeps blowing out the starter solenoid. I'm thinking it isn't switching from starting to charging and the starter is always running.
Welcome to Just Answer Small Engines, let me try to help you. I don't have schematic, and only way to get one is from Deere or from service manual. What is happening to the solenoid? Full-size image. All the solenoid has to do is open when engine starts, and output is back to the positive side of the solenoid. This setup is odd for Gator, but is common on gas golf carts.
Well, you should have opted out. You did not give me any information that I didn't already have. I shouldn't have to pay for non-information. You should have opted out to give me a better chance with somebody who could have answered my question. I should not have to pay for a non-answer.
Hello, I am being honest, I don't know much about John Deere, but I do have the tech manual and can send a link. See page 75 for electrical tests and adjustments. http://jd.p2dsm.com/John Deere Turf Gator Utility Vehicle.html. This is a one download link. Vinso.4135705661730032.
Thank you. XXXXXXXXXX exactly what I needed. Brian.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.